Yeah. So last session in time management, we have discussed about the holiday calendar and holiday, how to create holiday and how to create the holiday calendar according to personal area and according to different requirement. And during a discussion of holiday calendar, there is two topic which was incomplete. That is holiday day types and holiday class. Okay, what is the difference between day types and holiday class? What is day types and what is holiday class? Today I will discuss in detail uh, for these two topic, holiday types and holiday class. Okay. So holiday class, first holiday class, we know that's a holiday class that is they are going to be defined nature of holiday, like how the holiday will going to be work. It will be full day holiday, half day holiday, it's not a public holiday, how it is. So for that purpose, we uh, will be use holiday class. And what is the day types? Day types, that means that day types related with the payment of the salary. Okay, how the day is going to be work for the, it will be organization is going to make the salary, it is a paid day or unpaid day or off day, how the day is going to be worked. For that purpose, we will use day types. And the holiday class, how the holiday is going to be worked. For that purpose, we will use holiday class. And how the day is going to be worked, it will be off day, paid day, work day, whatever it is. So for that purpose, we will use day types. Okay. So for day types and holiday class, day type, there are few 0, 1, 2, 3. They are, this is a standard, nothing customized here. Already it's available in the system. If not available, so you can create according to a standard. So nothing customized here. So day types like 0, if you are going to be 0, that means blank. If the data is showing blank, so we can consider, system will consider work and paid. Like for example, you are going to be create any holiday and you have select given the data types there 0, or you are just leave as a blank. So system will consider work and paid. Okay, that is no holiday class. It will be work and paid. If day types will be 1, so system will consider off and paid. Like for example, we are going to be create Gandhi Jayanti or Republic Day or Independence Day, and we have assigned day types 1. So it will be system consider, it will be off and paid. See, organization not going to deduct the salary for that day. Holiday class day types 2, day types 2, that means off and unpaid. If any holiday calendar, if any holiday class year or any day holiday you have created with the specification of day types 2, so what does it mean? That it will be off day and it will be unpaid, because our company is not going to pay that day salary, so that's off and unpaid. 3, offer a special day. If anyone a special day like company, family day, any company establishment, anything, whatever, it depends on customer, a special day. So how the special day going to be work? It will be off or a special day. Okay. So this day type 0, blank, 1, 2, and 3. So normally maximum time we will use blank and 1. Often unpaid in India, normally it's not allowed, not used in a much in trend. Normally often paid and work and paid. This and 3, often a special. It depends on customer requirement. And earlier we have already discussed about the holiday class, like blank, that means not a public holiday. 1, that is ordinary public holiday, that is full day holiday. 1, full day holiday. 2, half day public holiday like Christmas evening, anything is a depends on customer. 3 to 9, customer specific public holiday class, like whatever it is created by customer for their company, for company establishment day, any family day, any parents, whatever it is, it's a complete decision taken by customer. So these day types, sometimes in interview, the interview will ask for the same, what is the day types of the day types. So you have to say the same 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 means work and paid, 1 means off and paid, 2 means off and unpaid, and 3 means off and a special day. And holiday class 0, not a public holiday, 1, full day holiday, 2, half day holiday, and 3 to 9, it's a depends on customer. Okay. So rules of day types we can create in table. So any doubt, any confusion in day types and holiday class concept?
No, sir.
So next one, this day type rule we can access via table v underscore t 553a. From with the help of this table, we can access this holiday class, and in this day types and holiday class. So when you will open this table v underscore t553a, so it will be open, the table will open like that. Their first column rule number, that is sequence number, day types for weekday, day types for Saturday, day types for Sunday. What is the day types? Weekday means Monday to Friday. How the Monday to Friday will going to be worked? For that purpose, we will use first is second column, day types weekday, Monday to Friday, day type Saturday, day type Sunday. For Sunday only, how the Sunday is going to be work, how the Saturday is going to be work, how to Monday to Friday system going to be work, according to we have to configure. Whatever is showing in a second column, just to see second column, everything is showing blank. So here is total 10 space will be available. A space is going to be sign of it will be show the sign of holiday class, and the number 111, it's going to be considered as a day types. Okay, number is day types and blank space is holiday class. Next, it's showing very well. See, I'm taking one example of day type for weekday, Monday to Friday. So read column first space, total 10 space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So first read column we will consider as a first space we will consider as a 0. Then second green color a space we can consider as a holiday class 1, yellow color 2, then piece of pink color is a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Starting from 0 to 1 to 9, this color, whatever is showing in color, I will consider as a holiday class. And above there, 111, it's written that is day types. So first column, red column is a 0, holiday class is 0, and day types also showing 0. Okay, because it's a blank, so we can consider 0. There is no 1 and 2 and 3 is written. Okay, so we can consider 0. So what is the mean of the 0 0? If holiday class will be 0, first column, red color first column. If holiday class will be 0, day types will be 0. So if weekend is not a public holiday, it's a work and paid day. Normal day, if any day will be normal day, weekend any normal day. So that purpose we can consider 1, 0 and 0. In second green color will be second, holiday class will be 1 and day types will be also 1. So what is the meaning of the holiday class 1? That is full day holiday, day types 1, off and paid. If weekday is public holiday, it's a off and paid day. For that purpose, green color. Yellow color holiday class 2. Yellow color is replicate the holiday class 2. So what is the meaning of the holiday class 2? Half day holiday. So 2 and day types is 0. Day types is 0. It's showing blank. So that means work and paid. So even if weekday is marked as a half day holiday calendar, it will be work and paid day. 2 that means I'm going to mark as a half day holiday. But whole day types I have given blank. That means it will be half day, but it will be work and paid day. Like a Saturday, like we can any before any holiday, before one day of the Christmas, that time company decide that we are going to be give the half day holiday before one day of Christmas, but it will work and trade that purpose. Three holiday class, three customer specific, so it will be 1. So 3 to 9 they have considered holiday class, 3 to 9 they consider 11111. So what is the meaning of 1? Off and paid. If anything holiday class related with the customer holiday, so it will be often paid like that. So how we are going to be decide holiday class for any holiday? So already we know with the help of the SCL when we will create the holiday class, holiday calendar. So that time we need to be assigned holiday class. So whatever holiday we are going to be created. So this is only we will use day types and holiday class only for holiday, not for the friends type, attendance type. It's not like that. Okay, this separate topic for only for a holiday class. How the holiday is going to be work? It will be data, it will be work and paid, it will be off and paid, it will be off and paid, it will be off and a special day, whatever it is. Okay, so according to we can create day types and holiday class. So Varsa and Rekha, in this day types, any doubt, any confusion with this column? Because it's important, every interview they will going to be asked what is the holiday class and day type.
Sir, The holiday type is nothing but what would be the type of holiday? Like it will be a public holiday, or it will be a paid or unpaid holiday and all that.
No,
And
no, it's a not a paid holiday. Holiday class, that means it will be work. It will be full day holiday or half day holiday or working day. That three thing is going to be like
so
a
in holiday it's only paid holiday, unpaid holiday.
no holiday class. Here is two things. One separate topic holiday class and the one separate topic day types. Okay. So first we need to be understand what is a holiday class. So holiday class we will use for know that which holiday will be full day holiday, which holiday will be half day holiday, which holiday will be working day. Okay. For that purpose we will use holiday class. Like when you are going to create different holiday like a Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Diwali, Dasara, Christmas Day in a system with the help of the T code SCL. Okay, so that time
Okay.
you need to be understand you according to customer you need to be configured. Like I'm going to be create one holiday like a Independence Day. So Independence Day will be full day holiday or half day holiday or working day. So according to you need to be select according to customer decision. Now evening, now Christmas Day. So Christmas Day will be half day holiday or full day holiday. Before one day of Christmas, you are going to get Christmas evening in a European country. There are one festival they are celebrating before one day Christmas evening. Okay, so Christmas evening will be half day or full day or working day. So how it is? Okay, so for that
So
purpose
how
we
the
will use.
day, specifically for the employees, to कैसा type of holiday, nature of holiday कैसा रहने वाला है ऐसा
Yeah,
ऐसा समझ.
yeah, for nature of holiday.
So,
So for,
for example, a customer requirement is that so for Republic Day, it will be a working day, and for 15th August for Independence Day, it will be a full day holiday. And suppose for Christmas Eve, if we are talking about, they are saying it will be a half day. It should be half day holiday but paid.
yeah, half day holiday but paid. Half day holiday will be, but it will be first. It will be according to holiday class. It will be half day holiday. Okay.
Half day.
Now when I will
Okay.
come in a day types. Okay.
Day type. Okay.
Now day types indicate that which day. Like first I have created like Independence Day will be full day holiday. Christmas evening will be half day holiday. We have created in system. First requirement fulfilled. Now second requirement taken by customer. Like on Independence Day will be full day holiday. I have already created. We have assigned a full day holiday during creation of holiday class holiday.
Mm.
Christmas evening we have created half day holiday. So but now next decision. So full day holiday whatever we have provided to employee, it will be often paid, it will be paid or it will be unpaid. Christmas evening it will be paid or it will be unpaid. Okay. So for that purpose we will
Okay.
use holiday date. For this purpose we will use day types.
So day type is basically used for releasing the payment.
Payment
Sorry,
for
payment.
holiday.
Okay. Okay.
Not
And holiday classes only deciding what to assign for a particular holiday. If it is
yeah,
to be assigned as a public full day off or a half day off or uh, working.
yeah, for that purpose we will use holiday class and day types going to decide like which day will be paid or which day will be unpaid. Okay, for salary purpose. Okay, that is the difference between day types and holiday class. Rekha, now it's clear, Rekha, from your end.
Uh, Sir, can you repeat that this section, this DTY, this one?
DTY, yeah.
Yes, sir.
So DT,
Just only this section.
yeah. So see, when will you open? First, we now it's a clear that what is day types and what is a holiday class. Day
Yes,
types
sir. It's clear for me. Yes.
going to be decided which holiday will be work or paid, which holiday will be off and unpaid. That decision taken by with the help of the day types. Holiday class decided which holiday will be full day holiday, which holiday will be half day holiday. Okay, now it's a clear. So
Yes, sir.
these rules of day types, now day types and holiday class is now clear. So next in system, we need to be create rules for day types, how the weekend will going to be work. So for that purpose, we need to be access the table v underscore t553. When you will open this table, so this table will be open. First rule, second column, day types for WKD day. This means day types for weekday. Weekday will be Monday to Friday. Week of Monday to Friday. Day types for Saturday. Day types for Sunday. If I will take the example of the IT industry, so we can say there is no required to create any Saturday and Sunday holiday, because in IT industry only working days 5 days, Monday to Friday. Okay. So, but in this column already given the option for Saturday and Sunday also, for because some industries they are 24/7 working. That's why. Okay. So first column, day types for weekday, Monday to Friday. So this means Monday to Friday. That means if if any holiday will be fallen between Monday to Friday, so how it will be? It will be off day. It will be half day. It will be work and paid. It will be off and paid. It will be off and unpaid. That decision taken by this column from day types weekday, Monday to Friday. Now Saturday and Sunday, if any holiday will be falls on Saturday, then how it will be? If any holiday will be falls on Sunday, so how it will be? How the system will going to be work? It will be often paid, it will be often unpaid, it will be full day holiday, it will be half, how it is. Okay. So that decision we will take from this column. Okay. So like for example, if I'm taking first column, data is from weekday, Monday to Friday. So what is the mean of the Monday to Friday? So in this column, there are total 10 space. Just to forget about the one, whatever one it is, just to forget about this. Just only for color, this is space. So total 10 space is available. First space indicate 0, then second 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This complete space indicate holiday class, because we know total holiday class is 10, including 0. 0 that means work and paid, 1 that sorry, zero that means complete working day, one that means full day holiday, two that means half day holiday, 3 to 9 customer decision. Okay. So 0 holiday class, that means working day. Holiday class 1, that is green color, that means full day holiday. Holiday class 2, half day, that is yellow color, that means half day holiday. Then pink to gray, last one, that is customer specific. That decision we can take with the help of this space. This is indicator for holiday class. Now second, day types. So above this space there are something written one and somewhere it's showing blank. So already we know in day types it will be blank, that we consider 0. In place of day types it will be blank, so we can consider 0. That means work day. So what is the mean of the 0? Work and paid. 0 that means work and paid, it's a normal working day. So red color indicate, first red color indicate if holiday class will be 0. So holiday class 0, that means working day. If day will be working day, then day types will be work and paid. If it will be working day, then employee will work and the company will paid. Okay. If holiday class will be 0, 0 that means work and paid. If any day between Monday to Friday will be working day, then employee will work and company will pay. That's it. Okay. According to first scenario. Now second scenario in a green color. Now first scenario is clear, red color. Second scenario, now I'm going to discuss second scenario, green color. Green color space indicate holiday class 1. What is the mean of the holiday class 1? It will be full day holiday. And day types, they have considered 1. So what is the day types 1? That means work and off and paid. Day types 1, that means off and paid. So now this second decision, if any day will be falls between Monday to Friday, uh, if any day holiday will be full day holiday, so it will be off and paid. So indicated green color place, off and paid. If holiday class, if full day holiday class falls between Monday to Friday, so it will be off and paid. according to second indicator, green color, and above there one day types we have selected one. Now second scenario, in green color, holiday class green color, that means one full day holiday. In place of one, if I have written uh, 0, so what is the mean of it? If it will be blank, in place of one it will be blank, what it will be?
It will not be a public holiday, it will be a paid day.
No, it will be working day, work and paid. So if it will be green color, so if holiday will be full day holiday, it is a incorrect. First thing, it's an incorrect configuration. Second thing, if it will be, then it means it will be holiday, full day holiday. So we have considered holiday class one, that means full day holiday, but it will be working and paid. That it will be holiday, but the company is not going to be considered as a holiday. Sometimes it's a happening in real time scenario. Like sometimes we have there is Diwali will be holiday, but now some companies say no, we will not, like you are working in an Indian company, but you are working for USA project. So there, that company going to be decide they are going to follow US calendar, not Indian calendar. So according to Indian calendar, it will be holiday, but according to your job profile and project requirement, it will for you it will be working day. Okay, so such type of scenario we will handle from these types. Okay, you, in your according to Indian calendar, Diwali will be holiday, but you are working for the USA client. For you, there is no Diwali is no holiday. For you, Diwali will be work and paid. So in such scenario, we will configure according to in place of one and the above, I will be remove the one. Okay, so that means if holiday class will be falls between Monday to Friday, will be full day holiday, but we will consider as a working day and paid day. Okay, so that purpose we can just leave blank. This is scenario, different scenario. Now yellow color. Yellow color going to be indicate holiday class 2. Holiday class 2, that means off day. Holiday class will be 2, but it's showing blank, so that means 0. Day type 0, that means work and pay. So if holiday will in if any holiday will be half day holiday, so we will consider half day holiday, but will be work and paid. So like for example, before Diwali one day, organization decided before Diwali one day we are going to be give half day holiday for entire employee who is working in my organization, but it will be half day you have to work and I am going to be full payment. I'm not going to deduct your salary according to half day. You will be work half day because it's a half day holiday, and it will be full half day, and I'm going to pay the full salary for that day, that requirement. Now from pink color to gray color, that is 3 to 4. So whatever a special or whatever company holiday will be falls between 3 to 9, so it will be off and paid. So it will be off and paid. That purpose we will use 1, 1 to 1. So now it's a clear this day types and holiday class, Rekha and Varsha.
So last seven one bits is
Three,
not,
four,
I'm not
no,
able to understand
no,
what it will be.
3, 4, 5,
How
6, 7,
it
8,
will be.
9.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is customer specific. Like some customer is a holiday calendar. That means whatever holiday we have follow in a 1 year. Okay, so we know national holiday and some is a regional according to religious holiday. There are two types of holiday. Okay, so one is a holiday that is fixed day according to Indian government, and the second will be according to religion. It will be holiday. Apart from this national holiday and religion holiday, some holiday created by company. Like company, they have created personal holiday. It's a depends on customer to customer. It will vary customer to customer. Like you work in a TCS and Rekha working in a TCS, Varsha working in a SCL. So now TCS decided I'm going to be celebrate 16 August as a mental in 16 like a mental wellness day. So I will give the holiday, but it's still not decided to give any holiday for the mental wellness. Okay, so in this scenario, Varsha will get like a Rekha is working in TC, so Rekha will get the holiday, but Varsha will not get, and that day will not get holiday. Why? Because in that organization, their customer not decided to give the holiday according to. So now TCS decided to I will give 16 of August as a customer specific holiday, customer specific. So that is mental wellness day. So for that purpose, you need to be create the holiday on 16 August. There is no holiday like that 16 August mental wellness day. Your company going to be decide to give holiday. So one day he will celebrate mental wellness day. So on 16th of August, first you need to be create the holiday first with the T code SCL. You will go to SCL, then you will select the date 16 August, and there you will give the mental wellness day. And in holiday class, you will consider as a between 3 to 9 anything. Like customer will give first give the mental wellness. So C I will select. Now second holiday they have created. Second holiday they have created like now for example we can say other company establishment, so we can consider 4 5, so that is 3 to 9 we can select. We are not bound to select 3 4 5 we can select anything. Like there are payroll area, 5 payroll calendar, 5 calendars, holiday calendar we have created. So for that purpose, for one holiday calendar we can use 3, another holiday calendar we can use 4, another holiday calendar we can use 5. Like that we can use anything according to customer decision. So how the customer holiday will be? Now 3 to 9 will be customer holiday class. So when we are going to create any customer holiday in SAP SM system, so that time we need to be select the holiday class. So we will select between 3 to 9. If any holiday apart from the national holiday and the regional holiday, okay, according to standard holiday, so that we will consider as a customer holiday, customer specific. So for that purpose, we need to be select holiday class between 3 to 9. Anything we can select. Okay, the system is given the lots of options 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, that if it will be lots of holiday, that's why they have given lots of things 3 to 9 here. We can consider anything from here according to customer requirement, but normally in a standard way 0 1 2 is enough and day type 0 1 2 is enough. Okay, for 3 4 to 9 we can consider a special and off day types will be different. That is customer requirement. 3 to 9 customized requirement. Okay, how the customer holiday
Okay,
will
sir.
going to be work? If customer give the mental wellness day, so we have given the holiday to our employee, so how it will be? It will be often paid or it will be often unpaid? How
For
it is?
example,
It's a customer
yeah.
decision. Okay.
Sir, for example, if a company, if in my company, we
Hmm.
have decided at the start of the year, yeah, for, year before that in my company, annual day, like company day, establishment day,
Yeah.
or annual day decide ho gaya hai, so that will be a complete off day, also a paid day. That
Yes.
will be a holiday and a paid day. So
Yes.
this is an example. ऐसा वो example ले सकते हैं यहाँ पे.
Yeah, we can. So according to your example is correct. So according to your example, how you will be configuring a table?
So that will be between 3 to 9.
Yeah, 3 to 9. So just for example, I have selected 3. Then what will be next? In place of holiday class, I have selected 3. And what will be day types? If it will be off and paid, then
It will be off and paid day.
yeah. So off and paid, then what is it? Off and paid? Off and paid one. Day types will be
One,
1.
one.
Yeah. So in place of 3, that is green, red color. So in red color and in place of red color holiday class, I will give 1. That means
One rest of the will be blank, sir.
pardon.
Rest of the bits will be blank.
Yeah, the rest of the thing will be blank. If we will consider only 3 holiday class,
Hmm.
then rest one will be blank. If we'll consider 4, then rest will be blank. If we will consider 5, then 3 4 and remaining one will be blank. Okay.
Okay.
Like that. So now this table, now I'm going to be showing a SAP HM system how to configure this table. So WhatsApp, please share your screen.
Yes, sir.
So first we will access the table SM13. We can do from the with the help of the SPR also. So but we know the table name, so that's why we have directly hit in the table. SM13. Then here we will be enter the table name. V underscore T553. V underscore T553T.
3A है मुझे.
Yeah, first one 3, the second one is 3, and the first one from 3T of 355 we can create first day types. 0 that means of work and paid, 1 that means time off and paid, 2 that means time off and not paid, 3 that means whatever it is. So according to a standard we can create here. Okay, according to customer requirement we can create. From here we can edit, we can change according to customer requirement. Once they are created, then we will go in table A. Yeah. So from this table, we can create the rule. So now I'm going to create the new entry. And we have given rule number. Day types, weekday. So what if any holiday will falls between Monday to Friday? So that is taken by this decision. If only any holiday falls on Saturday, so for that we will configure this one. For the if any holiday falls on Sunday, then we will configure this one. So now first requirement. If so here is a what is a holiday class? So see, this is holiday class 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is complete holiday class. Okay, so here we go. So now my requirement is holiday, like we can say holiday class 1 in like Independence Day falls 15th August falls on Sunday. Okay, so how it will be? The requirement is customer is given the requirement 15th August falls on Sunday. So how it will be? Your Sunday, if there is 24/7 working, how it will be? If it will be off day, then how it will be? So how will we do the consider? First, we will create the whole. Yeah, tell me.
इंडिपेंडेंस डे जो है वो that is a fixed holiday. Do we need to create this rule for that?
No, these rules for we cannot create if there is two requirement. One, if your industry will be Monday to Friday working, but you are working in a production house, they are 24/7 working day. Monday to Friday, Monday to Sunday will be working day. Okay. So in that scenario, for like in IT company, for IT company and banking sector, we are not going to do the configuration for Saturday and Sunday, because Saturday and Sunday we can consider holiday only. So then no need to do the configuration in Saturday and Sunday.
Right.
But I'm giving the different scenario where you are working, you will work for the 24/7. Okay. So in that scenario, like if any holiday falls on Sunday, if any holiday falls like a 15th August falls on Sunday, so how it will be, how we can do the configure. So like first requirement, first I will create the whole 15th August as a holiday, and we can consider holiday class. So holiday class we will select 1. So see 0, 1. So here is a 1 holiday class. Now I have selected 1. And how it will be off and paid. What will be day types? Off and paid. So off and paid, that means 1. So here I will write 1. Okay. So this means if any holiday will be, if any full day holiday or ordinary holiday falls on Sunday, so we will consider as a off and paid. For that scenario, we will configure like that. That's it. Okay. Now second requirement.
So we will have to put the space on it.
Pardon?
Do we have to put the space? We have to click on the space bar.
Yeah, a space indicate holiday class. Like first space 0, then second space is 1, third space is 2. Sorry, first space 0, second space 1, third space 2, fourth space 3, fifth like that. Okay, 0 to 9. Now next requirement, day types Saturday. If like for example, Saturday Diwali will we have created Diwali as a holiday class. We have considered 2 half-day holiday. Now company decided Diwali we are going to be give the holy not full day holiday. I will give half-day holiday on day of Diwali. That is requirement. Okay. So first I need to be assign which holiday class the requirement is. Customer said Diwali we will consider as a half
Two.
day. So what will be holiday class first? Tell me.
Two.
2. Yeah,
Two.
correct. So here we need to be first select the 2. So first enter it's a 0, it's a 1, it's a 2. Now holiday class we have selected 2 here. Now second requirement. If holiday class will be 2, so it will be off and paid. Half day will be, so working day will be half day, but it will be off and paid. Half day will be off and paid. So for that purpose, day types we will use 1 here. Now second requirement. Now customer said no. If holiday class will be half day, so we are not going to will provide the off to our employee, but it will be unpaid. We are not going to pay the salary that for that half day. Okay, it will be half. If it will holiday class will be half day, so we will be only we were not going to make the payment of that off day. So in scenario, what will be the whole day types here?
2.
2. Yeah, correct. So here it will be 2. Okay. Now third requirement. It's Monday to Friday. Maximum time we will use this column only. Okay. This Saturday and Sunday sometimes required if you will get get the project to work in any production system, production house or anything. We are 24/7 or BPO service like that configuration. So that time this Saturday and Sunday required. But normally in normal work life, a normal company, we will use only this day types weekday. So here is also same scenario 0. Sorry, now I'm going to this is 0. Now I'm going to show 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, this is totally 9, 10 space. So 0 we will consider as a holiday class 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a space here. Okay, complete a space. So which we consider a space as a holiday class. So here also if workday, if a holiday class will be 0, holiday class will be 0. So it will be like whatever it is, holiday class will be 0. Holiday class will be, I have created holiday class from 0. So what day types will be also working and work and paid. So what will be in first column?
0.
Yeah, so it's a blank. It's a blank. So if I'm leave the all these thing is a blank, so how it will be the work? Like for example, day type, if any holiday falls between Monday to Friday, but in this column I have leave everything is blank. So how the system will work?
It will consider all day paid.
No, all day will be, all holiday will be considered as a work and paid. Okay, so that means
Work
no
and paid.
holiday. If any holiday falls between Monday and Friday, then no, the system will consider no holiday. They will consider working and paid day. Okay. So according to we will do the configuration.
So this
So,
will be week wise. So we have 30 days in a month. So it
no,
will be
it's
for
a, no,
week.
it's a for week wise. Week wise, that means it's a meaning of if any holiday falls between Monday to Friday. Okay, whatever it. So Monday to Friday, so not we are going to consider as according to yearly or according to monthly. Monday to Friday, it will be weekly thing. Okay. So it will look at, so this we will configure as a Monday to Friday. So Monday to Friday, whatever Monday to Friday in any month. Okay, it's not for a specific month or a specific year. In any month, any year, Monday to Friday. Okay. Like you have created 2 holiday.
अभी दिवाली सब है तो वो तो नवंबर में आता है तो then in that case you're putting
No, this is not related with the year and month. We are considered Monday to Friday. So just for another example, we have created first 2 holiday. One is Diwali and one is Durga Puja. Okay, Durga Puja falls in month of October and Diwali falls in month of November normally. Okay, so we have created two holiday. One is Durga Puja and second one is Diwali. So now we will consider is we will configure in a system holiday if falls holiday will between Monday to Friday. So it will be day types will be one, day types will be one, often paid. If Diwali will be falls between Monday to Friday, so it will be so we will consider. So it's a depends on what is a holiday class you have selected for Diwali and what is a holiday class you have selected for Durga Puja. You have selected same holiday class, so we will select the same holiday class, one for Diwali and one for Durga Puja. So they are not, so system will not, its system will work according to holiday class. System will not going to be considered that this is Durga Puja and this is Diwali. Okay, system will consider according to holiday class. Okay, so system will check which holiday class is in that holiday. So in Durga Puja also one, Diwali also one. So in one, what is the data? So first they will search the system. What is the holiday class? So they found system will found one for a Durga Puja, one for a Diwali. So both are same. Now system fulfill that requirement. Now second search will system will do. So if the holiday class will be one, so what will be their payment mode? What will be their day types? So you will find if holiday class will be one, so we will consider if any holiday class falls between Monday to Friday and it will be one. So we are going to be give one. Okay, so they will found second thing. If holiday class will be one, then day types will be one. So according to they will work. They are not going to consider as a Diwali. System will not consider as a name of the holiday. System will consider according to holiday class. Okay, so whatever holiday class you have selected in during creation of holiday, that's why during creation of holiday we must assign holiday class. Okay, according to holiday class system will work, not according to holiday text and holiday name. Okay,
Okay.
so now it's clear. So just to tell,
Yeah.
now it's clear. You have to do the practice for this. Now another thing, just to tell me. Now I'm going to create the another rule. So we can create the n numbers of rule. Like we have created 12 rules. I'm going to be assign in a holiday calendar for Pune. Rule number 13 we can assign for holiday calendar Bangalore, holiday calendar Hyderabad, holiday calendar Kolkata. For that we can create n numbers of rule. Okay, and we can assign this assignment we have to do in a next step. Okay, so now next requirement according to 13, just a you what's a you have a system access, just a, you can do the configuration. Just I'm going to give the scenario as a customer. Okay, uh, if like a scenario we can give, if any holiday will be like if any holiday will be falls between Monday to Friday. If holiday what will be the course of action? First tell me the solution. Same way, if any holiday falls between Monday to Friday and it will be holiday class 2, then system will consider, so company will give date, so company will consider work and paid. So how it will be configuration, just to do in a rule number 13. If holiday
So,
class will be 2, again I'm going to repeat the
holiday
requirement.
classes two.
2,
Okay.
yeah, and payment nature it will be work and paid.
Payment nature will be work and paid.
Yeah,
Okay.
and holiday class will be 2.
One. This is 0, 1, and 0, 1, 2. And uh, and it will be work and paid, right?
Yeah, no, so we can in a place of 0 we can consider blank, so it is the same confusion, nothing we have to do. Okay, just it will be blank blank. Now next requirement, if any holiday class falls on between Monday to Friday and it will be holiday class 1, full day holiday, so system will consider off and unpaid.
Off and unpaid.
Yeah, and holiday class will be 1.
Will be
Off and unpaid. Yeah, correct configuration. Yeah, correct. Okay, so now understood how it's going to be work. Now, if any holiday falls on Saturday, so six customer
Sir,
will decide it. Yeah, tell me.
sir, I'm okay with day type, but I'm not able to find if where should I put the holiday class?
Okay, holiday class I have to put in a holiday during creation of SCL.
No, not like that.
Yeah.
Like you said,
No,
it
here you
should be
want
a
to ask.
working.
Okay, so here you want then where it will be holiday class in this column.
Yes.
No,
Cases
in
are
this,
the-
Varsa, please just explain. No need to be put holiday class here. Here only you need to be put day type. Already holiday class we can consider 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
spaces जो
They
है
are
ना
spaces.
वो
They,
holiday class है.
because
So
we,
in this case, like Shor said, that half day, it will be a half day, but it will be unpaid. So half
Hmm.
day is in holiday class, half day is two,
Two. Hmm.
1, 2, and unpaid होगा. So day type is also 2. So we will write 2, right, sir?
so holiday class यहाँ पर देखा मैं consider कर रहा हूँ only spaces. Holiday class we can consider only a spaces, whatever a spaces is given there. Okay, that we no need to be enter here holiday class. Only we need to be enter in place of holiday class spaces. We need to be enter day type. That's it. Okay, no need to be enter holiday class. We can consider a spaces as a holiday class. So starting from first 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So now I'm writing in a
Okay,
state type like a this is so here like a this is a space for 0, second a space 2, third a space 2, 3, 4, 5,
two.
6, 7, 8, 9. So they all are a spaces as holiday class. So this 0 a space 0 holiday class, one a space 1 where is dated 1, that is a 1 holiday class, 2 is a holiday class. So that is a spaces we can consider as a holiday class. Okay, nothing we need to be inter.
Okay.
Just if I will say now another requirement Varsa, just to do the configuration. If any holiday class will be fall, if holiday class 9 will be false on Saturday, like customer will created any holiday. So if any holiday class 9 falls on Saturday, so it will be off and unpaid. So how will we do the configuration? If holiday
Off
class,
and unpaid.
yeah, holiday class 9
Okay.
off and unpaid. Holiday class 9 off and unpaid falls on Saturday.
So it will be 9, 1, 2, 3, 4,
At
5,
the end.
6, 7, 8, 9,
Hmm.
and 2.
Yeah. So this is correct way. Okay. So that is a
Okay.
way to do the config. Now it's a clear, Rekha and Varsa.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now it's okay now. Okay, then do the practice for the same. Okay. So tomorrow please join us. Tomorrow I will start the work schedule. That is very important topic. Okay. So now day types is clear. So now day types and holiday class is clear now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I'm going to share the documents with you related to holiday class. Okay. Okay, then please do the practice. Tomorrow we can connect on same time. Okay. For next topic, that is a work schedule.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then please do the practice. Tomorrow we can connect. Okay, and the recording I will be uploaded.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.